Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Shifting Fed rhetoric. http ntvforex.com News ID 61226B 7/17/2026 47:03 AM. Core bonds continued to build on their slightly positive momentum. They didn't take guidance from the ECB meeting or from US echo data. Soft Fed speak and fragile stock markets 0.5% were at play. The ECB kept policy unchanged after substantially increasing both the scale and duration of easing measures in June. The current environment is one of elevated uncertainty and significant economic slack, with downside risks still prominent. US echo data included positive surprises from June retail sales and July Philly Fed business sentiment, but weekly jobless claims continue hovering at elevated levels between 1300K and 1566K for the past 6 weeks. Atlanta Fed Governor Bostic spotted that worrying development as well. Chicago Fed Evans stressed worries about downside risks and added that policy needs to be positioned towards them. Washington Fed-based Governor Brainerd earlier this week suggested changing the policy stance from stabilization to accommodation. Fed governors are clearly worried about a second economic dip resulting from new lockdown measures as U.S. COVID-19 cases keep reaching daily records. The U.S. yield curve bull flattened, with yields sliding by 0.9 bps 2-year to 2.4 bps 30-year. German yields fell by 0.1 bp to 2.2 bps, with the belly of the curve outperforming the wings. 10-year yield spread changes vs Germany barely moved. New York Fed Governor Williams added to the Fed rhetoric by talking in the direction of boosting forward guidance. Yield curve control or tying it explicitly to economic targets are options. Core bonds are treading water, with Asian stock markets mixed. Talk on a new U.S. fiscal stimulus package is gaining traction, but currently lacking bipartisan support. Today's echo calendar contains July University of Michigan consumer confidence and June housing data, building permits, housing starts. EU leaders gather in Brussels to discuss the EC's recovery proposal. German Chancellor Merkel put high hopes on the summit and thinks she'll be able to overcome opposition by e.g. the Frugal Four, who disagree on the proposed structure too large amount of grants. Overall, we think that a positive outcome should by and large be discounted. Q2 corporate earnings results are a wild card for trading. Core bonds are expected to hold momentum, with 10-year yields attracted by approaching support levels. Technically, the U.S. 10-year yield is drifting to the lower end of the 0.54%–0.78% sideways trading range. The Fed's implicit yield curve control remains at work, open-ended, unlimited QE. The German 10-year yield bounced off first support just above 0.50%. Download the full Sunrise Market commentary. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.